Do you love coconut and sweet treats? If yes, then you're in for a delightful surprise. Today we'll explore a simple yet mouth-watering recipe for classic coconut macaroons. Begin by preheating your oven to 325 degree F, 160 degree C. While the oven warms up, take a moment to line a baking sheet with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. With your baking sheet ready, turn your attention to a mixing bowl. Combine 4 large egg whites, half a cup of granulated sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together until they become frothy and well combined. For the next step, introduce 3 cups of sweetened shredded coconut to your egg white mixture. Stir this blend until every shred of coconut is evenly coated with the mixture. Now it's time to shape your macaroons. Using a spoon or cookie scoop, scoop out portions of the coconut mixture and shape them into mounds or small rounds. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, feel free to shape them with your hands. Arrange your shaped coconut mounds onto the prepared baking sheet, ensuring there is some space between each macaroon. Next, place your macaroons in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep a close watch on them as they bake to prevent excessive browning. You're looking for a golden brown hue on the edges. Once your macaroons have achieved that perfect golden brown, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. After that, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For those with a flair for the dramatic, consider drizzling melted chocolate over the cooled macaroons, or dipping the bottoms of the macaroons in melted chocolate. Just be sure to allow the chocolate to set before serving. Finally, store your coconut macaroons in an airtight container at room temperature. They can be kept for several days, but they're so delicious, they might not last that long. As you can see, these coconut macaroons are not just crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, but also are a delightful blend of sweetness and coconut flavor. They're the perfect snack or dessert, and the best part is that they're quite simple to make. Remember, the secret to perfect coconut macaroons lies in the quality of your ingredients and the care with which you prepare them. Happy baking!